Thank you for joining me. This is Shenell here from Angelic Interior Designs, and I'm just giving you a preview of the room before this makeover. It's for a young lady, and she wanted it nice and dainty and pink. And we did a striping effect on the wall using one color. It looks like two, but it was actually one color. We had a flat paint, and then we used a satin. Just the different elements of the room we did as well with the taupe paint, and I can leave a link below for the color of the walls. And this is some custom work that was done as well for this particular client's room. We built a big wall unit, as you can see, and it had a bench, great for storage, as you can see here. And this is an orthopedic bed. We're going to call it an orthopedic bed. We don't want to call it a hospital bed. And we didn't want it to look like that, so we did some custom headboards and footboards. Some florals added to the room as well to add that dainty touch, little press to the room. Lots of pinks and turquoise, tans and taupes, beautiful throws, some candles. And as you can see here now, the windows are all dressed up, the cabinets as well. Lamps are added with the mirrors on the wall flanking each side of the bed, and just placing the pillows on the bed, custom made pillows as well, some store-bought and custom as well. This beautiful butterfly pillow here, love the design of it, and it added all the colors. It tied everything in together, the pinks, the turquoise, the tan, the taupes. Some books here that were added, a DIY on those, beautiful wall art, some beautiful wings. Just a lot of different textures and colors mixes going on. And I always like to leave space in the room for the client to add all of their personal mementos to the room as well. As you can see, I love for a space to be about the client, not about me as the decorator, but what they want to see in their space, because yes, they're the ones who have to live there. And as you can see here, the custom footboard to cover the hard surface that was already there, the footboard and headboard that comes with the particular bed that you saw in the previous clips. So we customized it to take away that look, and now it just looks like a regular twin size bed, as you can see here. And they didn't want everything to be just store-bought, so that's why you see a lot of pieces that were added that were handmade as well. That is their preference, and so I like to give again the client just what they order. Functional but yet pretty. Chandelier was added to the room as well. She likes sparkle. And as you can see, the beautiful flooring was done as well. The carpet was taken out and it was laid on a diagonal on the room, in the room. And as you can see, the finished product just about here. And I want to thank you for joining me for this beautiful makeover for my client. This has been Shenell here from Angelic Interior Designs, and watch the completed video. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.